Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Payoneer account and setup. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Payoneer is a financial services platform that enables businesses, freelancers, and individuals to send and receive international payments efficiently. It is widely used for receiving payments from global marketplaces like Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, and many others. Creating and setting up a Payoneer account is straightforward, but it requires careful attention to detail, particularly during verification. This guide walks you through the complete process step by step, from signing up to getting your account fully operational. To get started, simply head on over to payoneer.com. Once you head on over to payoneer.com, you're going to proceed with registration. However, keep a few things in mind. Whenever you're registering for Payoneer, you will have to maybe identify or verify your identity. You're going to also have to link your bank account to receive funding, so make sure you do have those things on hand when signing up. From there, go on to payoneer.com and click on register. Once you do that, you're going to enter your full name, so make sure this is accurate. You don't want a fake name. Then after that, we're going to enter our business email or our work email. Then you're going to add your registered business name, and then you're going to enter more information about your business. So this is I don't have a website address and can enter not registered freelancer, or for my registered business name, I can just use my own name if you don't actually have a business. I want to receive payments from both freelancer and business platforms. Let's say it's going to be this much of value, and once you do that, you can proceed with entering your phone number. And once I do that, I can click on next over here. Once I do that, I can click on complete registration to proceed with my registration on Payoneer. So in my Payoneer setup, the first process of my sign up is going to be if your business is registered, and then you're going to add your date of birth. So we're going to have to go ahead and select that from the calendar down below and then click on next. Once I do that, I am going to proceed on our business and contact details, and this might take a little while, so don't worry. And Payoneer verification again, when your account initially is created, you have certain limitations. Once your account starts, having transactions and it starts being used, then you're able to use it completely with all of its features. You're not able to send out money until you have like $1,500 worth of transactions happen. So do keep that in mind if you're just thinking you can write out and about get started. So we're just going to proceed over here. And you do need to make sure that the birth date you're adding is accurate, because if it's not, when it asks you to identify or confirm your identity and it's not the same as on your driver's license or your ID card, then it's not going to create your account. So make sure to do that. In the contact information step, you'll need to input your country, full address, city, postal code, and phone number. Again, accuracy is crucial here. Your address should match the one on your utility bills or bank statements, as you may be required to submit these documents later for account verification. For your phone number, make sure it's a number where you can receive calls or SMS, as Payoneer may use it to confirm your identity. After filling out this section, click Next to continue. Next, you will be required to create your security details. Choose a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. You'll also need to select a security question and provide an answer. This is useful for account recovery if you ever forget your login credentials. Additionally, you'll have to enter your government-issued ID number, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Select the ID type from the drop-down list and enter the number accurately. Click Next when done. The next step involves entering your bank account information. Payoneer needs this to enable withdrawal of funds from your Payoneer account to your local bank. Select the bank country and currency, then provide your bank account name, account number, and other required details such as IBAN or SWIFT code depending on your country. Ensure that the account holder's name matches the name you used while signing up. If the names do not match, your application may be delayed or rejected. After submitting these details, click Submit to complete your application. After submitting your registration, Payoneer will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once confirmed, your application will go through a review process. This usually takes a few business days. During this period, Payoneer may ask for additional documents such as a scanned copy of your ID, a utility bill, or a bank statement to verify your identity and address. Make sure the documents are clear and not expired. Upload them through the secure link provided in your Payoneer dashboard or email. Once your account is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. You can now log into your Payoneer dashboard and start using the account. The dashboard is user-friendly and allows you to view your balance, transactions, receive funds, and manage your settings. One of the most important features to set up at this point is the global payment service. This service provides you with virtual receiving accounts in various currencies like USD, Euro, the GBP, and more. These accounts function like local bank accounts in those regions and can be used to receive payments from companies or marketplaces based there. Another important aspect of your account setup is linking it with online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Amazon. Each platform has its own process for linking a payment method. In general, go to the payout settings of the platform, choose Payoneer as the payment method, and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to log in to your Payoneer account during the setup to authorize the connection. Once linked, your earnings from these platforms will be sent directly to your Payoneer account. Payoneer also offers a physical MasterCard debit card that you can request once your account has received a certain amount of payments. This card can be used for online purchases, ATM withdrawals, and in-store payments worldwide. To request the card, go to your Payoneer dashboard, select Settings, then Payoneer Cards, and follow the prompts. Make sure your shipping address is correct because the card will be sent to that location. Delivery usually takes 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your country. If you face any issues or have questions, Payoneer offers 24 hours customer support through live chat, email, and community forums. You can also access the Help Center on the Payoneer website, which includes detailed articles and various topics. For more personalized support, especially regarding account verification or fund delays, it's better to contact their support team directly through your account's message center. In conclusion, creating and setting up a Payoneer account is a simple process that opens doors to receiving international payments seamlessly. By carefully entering accurate personal and banking details, completing the verification process, and activating useful features like the global payment service, you can make the most of what Payoneer has to offer. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or online seller, having a Payoneer account can greatly simplify your global payment experience and give you access to fast, secure, and cost-effective financial transactions. So that's basically how you can create a Payoneer account and set up. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.